Welcome dear students. In previous lecture, we learned what is Venn diagram and how it is useful to solve the sums. Then we learn subset relation, universal set and complement of a given set. Today we have to learn practice set 1.3, which is based on these chapters we have learned earlier. In practice set 1.3, we start with question number first. See the question number first one. If A is a set which elements are A, B, C, D and E, the elements of set B, C, D, E, F, then set C having elements B and D, another set D, elements are A and E. That means 4 sets with their elements are given. Then which of the following statements are true and which are false? That means we have 4 sets are given. These sets are written by listing method and some statements are given, and out of these statements which statements are true and which are false, that we have to decide. Dear student, see the first statement. It is written by symbolically. All of you know the meaning of this symbol. It is subset. That means C is a subset of B. This is the first statement. Now we have to decide whether it is true or false. C, given statement is C is a subset of B. That means if C is a subset of B, that means all of you know about the subset. If C is a subset of B, then all the elements of set C must present in a set B. Now let's verify this. Set C, elements are B and D. This B is present in a set B. No, it is not present in a set B. Element D is present in a C, but it is present in a B. Out of these two, only one element present in a B. But by the definition of subset, all the elements must be present in a set B. But element of set C, all elements of set C are not present in a set B. Therefore, C is not a subset of B. Therefore, this statement is a false. Therefore, we have to write only the false. That means this statement is a false. Second statement is given. A is a subset of D. Now, for verify these statements, we have to see all the elements of A are present in a D. See here, this is set A. It contains 5 elements and set D contains 2 elements. That means all the elements of sets A are not present in a set D. Therefore, this statement is also false. Now, see the third statement. It is D is a subset of B. Now, verify this statement is a true or false. If D is a subset of B, that means all the elements of set D must be present in a set B. All the elements of set D must be present in a B. Verify this. Element of set D, A and E. They are present in a B. See, observe the set B. Here A, that A is not present in a set B. That means one element of set D is not present in a set B. Therefore, this statement is also a false statement. Now, next one. D is a subset of A. This D and this A we have to compare. Now see, element A from the set D is present in a set A. See the next element E is present in a A. That means both elements present in a set D are also present in a set A. Therefore, this set D is a subset of A. Therefore, we say that this statement is a true statement. Next one is B is a subset of A. B, now consider set B and set A. B is a subset of A. Now say element C is present in A. Element from set B, D, is also present in a D, in a set A. Then E is present in a set A. But this F is not present in a set A. That means all the elements of set B are not present in a set A. Therefore, set B is not a subset of A. But the statement says that B is a subset of A. Therefore, this statement is false. Then the last one, C is a subset of A. Now compare these two sets. Element of set C, B, is present in a set A. Element of set C, that is D, is also present in a set D. That means both the elements of set C are present in a set A. Therefore, C is a subset of A, and this statement is also says that the C is a subset of A. Therefore, this statement is a true statement. In this sum, only we have to say whether the statement is true or false. No need to write any reason. Now take down this sum clearly. Let's start with second sum. See the question. Take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as a universal set and show set X and Y using Venn diagram. Set X is a set of X such that X belongs to natural number and X is greater than 7 and less than 15. Second set Y. Y is a set of Y such that Y belongs to natural number and Y is prime number from 1 to 20. Dear student, see the question again. Take the set of natural numbers. Set of natural number. Second condition is given from 1 to 20. That means we have to take one set as a universal set. That set is a set number of natural numbers. But not all natural number, but up to 20. That means we have to write from 1 to 20 natural numbers, and that set is a universal set. Dear student, all of you know that set of universal, we have to denote it by U. Therefore, first of all, we have to write this set in a list method. See again, the set of natural numbers. But which natural numbers? From 1 to 20. And this set we have to use as a universal set. Let's start with universal set elements 1 to 20, which are natural numbers. First is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and up to 20. In between there are elements. We write set by list method. Now, second set is given X. This X set we have to write given in a rule method. We have to write it in a list method. See, two conditions are given. Elements of set X is X, but that element carries two properties. First, it belongs to natural numbers. That means elements of set of X are natural number, but not all natural numbers. The numbers lies between 7 to 15. That means X is greater than 7 and less than 15. Therefore, this set X we have to write by list method. For list method, how can we write? we have to write the natural numbers. See, this is universal set. From this we have to write the number. Two conditions: it must be a natural number, and second condition, greater than 7. Greater than 7 means start with 8, then up to 15. That means less than 15. That means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is a X set. Now first of all we have to draw the Venn diagram for this, for X set. Now all of you know the set of universal set. If we have to represent the universal set, we have to draw the rectangle for universal set. Therefore first of all we have to draw a rectangle like this. This is a universal set. We have to write here U. Now in this universal set, we have to show the X set. Dear student, first of all, draw any closed figure in that. Suppose I draw here a circle. This circle represents X set. Therefore, write down the elements of set X. First element is 8. Second one is a 9. It is 10, 11, 12, 13 and here it is 14. Now all the elements from set U we have to write here. But these 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, we did not have to write in U. Therefore, see the elements. First we write 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is already written here. Therefore, we did not have to write 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have to write 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Yes student, we represent the set X by using the Venn diagram. Now we have to draw the Venn diagram for Y set. Now set Y is there, which is given in a rule method. We have to write it in a list method. See, Y is a set of Y such that Y belongs to natural number and Y is a prime number. Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. Now start from this. We have to write the prime numbers. Prime numbers start with these two. Therefore we write here first element is a 2, then here it is 3, then not 4, then it is 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, 17 and 19. These are the elements of set Y. Now for this set Y, we have to draw the Venn diagram. We have to, first of all, we have to draw the universal set as we draw previously. This is our universal set which we have to represent by letter U. Then draw any closed figure. Suppose we have to draw here circle. In that circle, this is a Y we have to write the elements of set. In that, first element is 2, then 3, then it is 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Now rest of the elements we have to write in this area. It is, see, first 1, 2 we have already written, therefore no 3. Then we have to write 4. After that 5 is there, we have to write 6. Then it is 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11 is there, 12, 13 is there, then 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. This is the representation of set Y by Venn diagram. Now dear student, we show these two sets separately. If we have to show these two sets in one Venn diagram, then how can we draw it? See, this is universal set. In that we have to show both the sets in a one universal set. For that purpose, first of all we have to see whether this set X and Y, this 11 is present in set X, 13 is present in set X. That means these two elements are common in both the sets. Therefore, we have to draw the two close figure in the universal set. Therefore, we have to draw two circles like this, because these two sets have common elements. Therefore, these common elements we have to write here 11 and 13. Then we have to write the element of set X in this part and element of set Y in this part. Therefore, element of set X here 8, then 9, then 10, then 11 is there, then 12 and 14. Now we have to write the element of set Y. Element of set Y, 11 and 13 are there, therefore we have to write 2, then it is 3, 5, 7, 17 and 19. Now we have to write the rest of elements from the universal set. Therefore, here if we observe 2 is there, therefore we have to start with 1, then we did not have to write this 2, then 3 is there, then 4 is not there, therefore we have to write 4 here. After that 5 is there, 6 is not, therefore we have to write here 6, 7 is there, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 is not there, we have to write 15, 16, 17 is there, we have to write 18, then 19 is there and we have to write 20. Yes student, in universal set there are 20 elements. Count all these 20 elements are there. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. That means all the elements are correctly right in this set. Yes student, for your understanding I am using various colors pen, but in an exam you have to use one type of a pen. Remember this, write down this in your notebook. We will see the next question. Let's start with the third sum. U elements are 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Set U, universal set is given. Set P, having the elements 1, 3, 7, 10. From this information, what we have to show the sets U, P and P dash by Venn diagram. We have to show U, P and P dash. That means complement of this P we have to show by the Venn diagram. Second question, we have to verify complement of P complement is a set P. Complement of P is a P set. First of all, we have to solve the first. That is, we have to show the set U, P and P dash by Venn diagram. Therefore, first of all, we have to write here U, set U. It is 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As it is given. Set P is also given. We have to write 1, 3, 7 and 10. This is statement number first, or we can, let's see later on. Now we have to write the P complement. P complement. That means element of the elements which are present in a U but not present in a P. That set is called as a complement of P. Therefore, this 1, this 3, 7 and 10. We did not have to write all the remaining sets, all the elements, that is 2, then 8, 9, 11 and 12. These are the element of set P dash. Now we have to draw the Venn diagram for this. To draw the Venn diagram, first of all we have to draw the universal set, and as you know that universal set we have to draw by using the rectangle. We have to draw the rectangle. This is universal set. Then, dear student, we have to write the set P. We have to draw the circle. In that circle, this is set P, and we have to write the element of set P. Which are the element of set P? It is 1, then it is 3, then 7 and 10. Now, all the remaining elements are, which are the remaining elements? It is 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. These are the element of set P dash. Therefore, this is a universal set. In that we write this P set, and these are the elements of P dash. Now we have to start with the second sum. In second, what is given? We have to verify complement of P dash, or the complement of P complement is equal to P set. Therefore, first of all, we have to write universal set. In that 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is a universal set. Then take down the set P. In that 1, 3, 7 and 10. These are the elements. Now we have to write P complement. Now P complement is a 2, 8, 9, 11 and 12. Now see carefully. It is very important. Now we have to write complement of P complement. That means we have to write the complement of this P complement. That means we have to compare this universal set and P complement. Here 2, here it is 2. This 8, this 8, 9, 11 and 12. These elements we have to eliminate. First we have to write here element 1, then it is 3, then 7 and 10. This 11 we have right here. Now this is statement number first. This is statement number second. Now observe the statement number first and second. Element of P are 1, 3, 7, 10. Element of complement of P, complement is 1, 3, 7, 10. Therefore we can write here from first and second, complement of P complement is equal to set P. This is our verification. Take down this, we will see the next step. Dear student, let's start with the fourth sum. A 1, 3, 2, 7. One set is given and then write any three subset of A. We have to write three subset of A. Dear student, this set A is given and all of you know that subset, that means we have to write the sets which contain elements from set A. Then that will be the subset of A. In this case, we write many subset of this set A. But in this exam, we have to write any three subset. Now see, we can write first of all this one, this set is a subset of this A. Then we can take this 3 which is a subset of A, then 2, then 7. These 4 are the subset of A. Like this we can write many sets. Then we can consider 1 and 3. Then we write 1 and 2. Then we can take the elements 1 and 7. Then we start with this 3 and 2. Then 3 and 7. Then this 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 7. 3 and 2, 3 and 7. Then we write here 2 and 7. These are the subset of set A. Now we can take 3 elements like 1, 3, 2. Then we can write 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. Then we can take 3, 2, 7. And then we can write 1, 3 and 7. 1, 3 and 7. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 sets are remaining. That means total 16 set we can write for this as a subset. All of you know that empty set is a subset of every set and another every set is a subset of itself. Therefore we can write 1, 3, 2, 7. Now there are total 16 subset of set A. Now how can I decide this set have 16 subsets? For that purpose there is a one trick. We have to use 2 raised to n formula. That means 2 raised to n. This n means the number of elements in a set A. In the set A there are 4 elements. Therefore we have to write 2 raised to 4. And dear student, 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. That means there are total 16 subset we can write for this set A. Suppose I write here set B that contain 2 elements. Then how many subset of this set we can write? By using this 2 raised to n means 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to means it's 4. Can we write? See here. We write 1, we write 2, then we write 1 and 2 and then we write empty set. Therefore for this set we can write 4 subset like this. Dear student, you have to remember this 2 raised to n. By using that we can find out how many subset we can write for a particular given set. For that purpose we have to remember 2 raised to n. The n means the number of the elements present in that particular sets. Now in exam, out of this 16 you can write any 3. Now take down this in your notebook. We will see the next sum. Let's start with the 5th sum. Write the subset relation between the sets. First set, P is the set of all residents in Pune. M is the set of all residents in Madhya Pradesh. I is the set of all residents in Indore. P is the set of all residents in India. H is the set of all residents in Maharashtra. These 5 sets are given and we have to write the subset relation among the given sets. For better understanding, I write here. See here, B is the set of residents in India. H is the set of residents in Maharashtra. P is the set of residents in Pune. M is the set of residents in Madhya Pradesh. And I is the set of residents in Indore. Now all of you know that among all these 5, B is the bigger set. That means Maharashtra is a subset of India. Then MP is a subset of M, that is the residents of Madhya Pradesh, are the subset of B. Then this Pune lies in state Maharashtra, therefore P is a subset of this H, as well as this P is a subset of B. Then Indore is from the MP, that is Madhya Pradesh state, therefore I is a subset of M. Therefore we can write here, first we will start with this P, therefore P is a subset of H. Then second we can write P is a subset of B. Same way this H is a subset of B. Then we can write from this I is a subset of M. I is a subset of M. Then I can write M is a subset of B. Sixth one is there. This I is a subset of B. Like this, we can write the subset relation. P is a subset of H, P is a subset of B, H is a subset of B. Then I is a subset of M, M is a subset of B, and I is a subset of B. Like this is a subset relation. We can use every set is a subset of itself and empty set is a subset of every set. We did not have to consider this, we have to write the relation between these given 5 sets. Now see the second one. In that second part is given which set can be universal set for above set. If you observe this, you can easily say that the B is a universal set for all these sets. Therefore, we can write here set B is the universal set for above sets. Yes, student, take down this in your notebook. Dear student, I think everyone understood the given sums. Try to solve the remaining sum and write it in your notebook. Thank you.